Hello everyone, you are watching Blackboard and welcome to our microbiology playlist. The topic for today's discussion is bacteria and their structure. Do you guys know that bacteria have been on the planet for more than 3.5 billion years and are the oldest known life forms on Earth? That's great, isn't it? The study of bacteria is known as bacteriology, a branch of microbiology. A bacteria is typically a few micrometers in length, ranging from 0.2 to 5 micrometers. They are mostly free-living organisms consisting of one cell, means they are unicellular. In the coming videos, we'll discuss about different bacteria, how they cause diseases, and their specific laboratory diagnosis. Also, we're going to learn about microbiology lab equipment, how different tests are performed both manually and in automation. Bacteria belongs to Eukarya domain and Prokaryote kingdom. Let's talk about the structure of bacteria. Divided into three components: cell wall, cell membrane, and cytoplasm. For structural support, all the bacteria have a cell wall as their outermost component, composed of peptidoglycan, except Mycoplasma species that has only cell membrane. Peptidoglycan is what makes bacteria divide into gram-positive organisms and gram-negative ones. In gram-positive bacteria, peptidoglycan is thicker of about 15 to 80 nanometers, while in gram-negative it's thinner of about 2 nanometers. Peptidoglycan is also called murin or mucopeptide. It is actually a polymer consisting of sugars and amino acids. You can see on the top of the picture there is a glycan chain with alternating N-acetyl muramic acid and N-acetyl glucosamine molecules. To each muramic acid molecule, a tetrapeptide consisting of both D and L amino acids is attached that connects two glycan chains. The composition of this tetrapeptide differs from one bacterium to another. A peptide interbridge connects these two tetrapeptide chains. And this is how peptidoglycan becomes a complex network that surrounds the entire cell. Do you know what the fun thing is? Peptidoglycan is only found in bacterial cells and not in human ones, so it's a good target for antibacterial drugs. Goodbye, bacteria! Gram-negative bacteria have lipopolysaccharide in their cell wall that acts as endotoxin, which is responsible for many features of the disease. Another difference between gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria is the presence of teichoic acid in gram-positive cell wall, whose function will be discussed in the coming videos. After the cell wall, phospholipid bilayer makes cytoplasmic membrane, responsible for secretion of enzymes and toxins, active transport of molecules inside the cell, synthesis of precursors of cell wall, and energy generation of cell. Let's divide the cytoplasm into two regions. The nucleoid region, composed of DNA, and the amorphous matrix that has in it ribosome, the site of protein synthesis. Bacteria have ribosomes of 70S size with 50S and 30S subunits. S stands for Swedbergs, a unit used to measure how fast molecules move in a centrifuge. Storage areas for nutrients are called granules. Plasmids are extrachromosomal double-stranded circular DNA molecules that are not dependent on bacterial chromosome for replication. So, we're done with the discussion of cell wall, cell membrane, and cytoplasm. Let's talk about the structure outside the cell wall. Capsule may be present in both gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. It is composed of polysaccharides and covers the entire bacterium. It determines the pathogenicity of the organism, helps in identification of different bacteria, and is used in different vaccines. Flagella. Some bacteria can move so they have a long whip-like structure that helps them move towards attractants and nutrients. This is called chemotaxis. Villi. The hair-like filaments are used for attachment of bacteria to receptors on human cells. So this was all about the bacterial structure. Well, do you guys know that bacteria are found nearly everywhere on Earth? The number of bacteria in a person's mouth is equal to the number of people living on Earth, or even more. Can you guess the total number of bacteria on our planet? Let us know in the comment section below if you know about it. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you loved the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more medical related videos.